Welcome to Fountain Hills, a picturesque suburb of Scottsdale, Arizona.
This home is the desert sanctuary you've been looking for.
Best known for its top-rated golf courses, hiking trails, and relaxed yet upscale lifestyle, and of course, the iconic fountain at the town center.
Just a short distance from Fountain Park, you'll have easy access to scenic walking trails, charming local shops, fantastic dining options, all while being only 30 minutes from the heart of Scottsdale. This gorgeous property sits on an elevated lot with stunning mountain views. With almost a half of an acre to call your own, this property offers endless potential.
Some of the many features of this home include an updated interior, sparkling pool, new electrical panel, new AC unit, and large windows that invite the breathtaking views indoors.